Hello friends, welcome back to CAD practice. Today we are going to construct a 3D CAD model in Autodesk Inventor software. In this we will construct a sheet metal model. So let's get started with today's tutorial. Take a new, take a sheet metal part in millimeter. Go to 2D sketch, select the top plane, the exit plane, rotate it. Now go to rectangle command. We will take a 2-point center rectangle. Select the center point. Now go to dimensions to give it a dimension. It will be a dimension of the height of 75 mm and the width of 185 mm. Okay, now finish sketch. Now go to face command to give the base of the sheet metal. Okay, and apply. Now as this is a by default sheet of 0.5 mm, but we want to change the thickness of the sheet, go to sheet metal defaults. From here uncheck this use sheet thickness from rule and change it to 2 mm and press OK. The thickness has increased to 2 mm. Now we will make the side flanges. For this, go to flange and select this upper edge and give the dimension 75 mm. Apply. Similarly, for this side, select this edge and the dimension will be 80 mm. Okay, so let it also be 75 mm. Apply. Go to home. Now select for first we will make these two profiles, these two edges, then we will construct the others. Go back to part, select this face and go to 2D sketch. From here take the center point circle, place a circle over here and with same center make another circle. Go to dimensions. From top the dimension will be of 35 mm and from side it will be 40. The inside dia will be of 50 and this dia will be 70 mm. As you can see, the cutting profile is this dia and these are at PCD. I will make it normal. These four are at PCD. This face. Okay, so you want to make this circle as construction geometry. To do that, select this circle, exit from dimension command, select this circle and click over here for construction geometry. Okay, now go to circle command once again, make a circle on this PCD, give the dimension, this will be of dia 7. Now as you can see, this will be in moving, it is moving with respect to this circle, so we need to define the location with line command. Make a line over here and at the center, exit from this command, This is taper. Okay, go to line command once again, center, and pass from this. So we also don't need these lines, so select both the lines, drag it, so okay, we'll place another dimension there. Select both these and go to construction. These are changed to construction. Now give the dimension once again. Center will be at 40. This is fully defined. Now to give the angle, select this line and select this line. It will ask you the angle. You need angle of 45 degree. And now for pattern, go to circular pattern. Select this circle. It will ask you the axis of rotation. Click on this and select this circle as axis of rotation. Now here you need to fill the count. We need a count of 4 and the filling angle will be 360 degree and okay. Now finish sketch. Now go to cut command. Select all the 5 circles. It will cut up to thickness, the depth of 2 mm and okay. Now home view. Now we will give this flange. Go to flange command once again. Select this and give a flange of 20 mm and apply. Exit command. Now we want to make this cut at bottom. So select this face. Go to 2D sketch. Make a 2-point center rectangle. Make a rectangle over here. Go to dimensions, provided dimensions. So the height of 35 and the width of 75. Okay. Now from sides will be at 25 and from top it will be at 25 mm. Okay, this is shifting downwards, so delete this dimension and we will give the horizontal constraint. Select the horizontal constraint, select the midpoint and midpoint of the sketch. Okay. Now we need to draw these 3 circles also. So go to center point circle, make 2 circles over here and 1 over here. Okay, to exit the command. Now go to equal constraint, select this circle and this, they will get equal to each other. Similarly select the second circle and third. Now all 3 circles are equal to each other. Now give the dimension. Dimension of this circle is 7 dia. From top this will be at 25. Similarly this one from bottom at 25. Now from rectangle the dimension will be at 25 mm exit sketch. By right clicking you can go to OK. This will exit sketch. Now go to vertical constraint, select this point and select this point. Now this is vertically constrained. Now we will make dimensions to this. From outside this will be at 10 mm, and go to horizontal constraint, click on this point and this center. Okay, now this whole sketch is fully defined. Go to finish sketch. Now go to cut, select this profile and select all these circles, cut up to thickness and OK. Now you can see here radius is also provided. So for that, go to corner radius, give a radius of 10 mm. Now click here, select the corners one by one, this corner and this, and apply. Now this base cut is complete. Now we'll make this pattern. For that, revolve the part and select the back face and go to 2D sketch. And from here go to center slot, make a slot over here, go to dimensions. From top, the dimension of slot from top will be at 20 mm, and from side it will be at 25 mm. The width of this slot will be 5 mm and center to center height will be 15 mm. Now this is fully defined, but we need to make a pattern. So go to rectangular pattern, select this slot. It will ask you first direction. Direction 1 will be this line, about this line or this edge. As you can see, the pattern is going outside. From here flip the direction and the count of 15, and for the bottom line, this line, go to direction 2, select this edge, count will be same to 2, and the distance between center to center will be 30, and OK. Now pattern is made. Now finish sketch and go to 3D model and go to extrude, normal to back view, make a window over all the pattern, change the view. Now as you can see, it is extruding outside, so flip the direction, it will change it to cut, and OK. Now rotate the view once again. Now we are left with this flange and this flange. For this side flange, go to sheet metal, go to flange, select this outer edge, and in this we only need flange at between, not at corners. So go to advanced setting. From here change it to width. The width will be of, this is the flange distance will be 20 and the width will be 50, and apply. OK. Now finish sketch, finish this command. Now go to corner radius, select this edge at radius 10 mm. The radius is already put, and OK. This is, I think so, is more. So double click this and give the radius as 5 mm and okay. Now this is perfect. Now select this face, go to 2D sketch, go to circle command, make 2 circles, give the dimension. This has 7 dia and this also of 7 dia. From top this will be at 15. I make it as 15. From bottom this will be 15. From side the center will be at 7.5. Make it vertically constrained. Go to vertical constraint. Select the center point and this center point. Now these are vertically constrained to each other. They are in a vertical line with each other, the centers. Now go to finish sketch. Go to cut command. Select this circle, say circle, cut up to thickness. Okay. Now this flange is left. So go to flange once again. Select the bottom edge. Go to advanced setting once again and change it to width of 150 and the flange of 35 mm and okay. Okay. Now select this face. Go to 2D sketch. Go to circle command. Make 2 circles. Go to dimensions. From bottom this will be 7.5 and the dia will be of 7 mm. From side this will be at 20 mm. Similarly from side this will be at 20 mm. Make it horizontally constrained. Select the center point, select this center and equal constraint to make the dia of both the circles equal. Select this circle, select this circle and finish sketch. Now go to cut command, select both the circles one by one. The cut will be up to thickness of 2 mm and okay. Now we need to give the radius over here, this radius. Go to corner round, by default radius of 10. Select this edge and select the edge over here, the green is the edge and okay. Now the CAD model is complete. You can make the flat pattern of this. Just go to create flat pattern. It will make the flat pattern of the sheet you want to cut, and then you will start the bending process. Now unfold this, go to folded part. I hope you like the video. If you do that, please do hit like and subscribe the channel for more such videos. Thank you.